Hello everyone, myself Sandeep. Welcome to all in my class. So dear student, today we are going to discuss about next important soil of India, that is arid soil. So dear student, now we see the characteristics of arid soil. So all of you know that arid soil mostly found in arid region, either dry region in third desert of India. So first of all, if we see the characteristics of the arid soil, it's mainly developed in dry areas. Dry areas, that means where that region which receive the very low rainfall and cover with very scarce vegetation and temperature is too high. So that region is known as the dry areas, either arid region. So in that region, arid soil mainly developed. So in India, we found that soil in Rajasthan. Okay, and second characteristics is arid soil sandy in structure and acidic in nature. So second is sandy in texture and acidic in nature. Due to the sandy structure, this soil is porous and permeable. Porous and permeable. Permeability, that means ability to transfer the water inside the soil. And porous, that means porosity, means the void space inside the soil. So arid soil is porous and permeable. Due to this characteristic, this soil having the low moisture holding capacity. Either this soil have the low moisture retaining capacity because this soil is porous and permeable. And this soil having the low moisture content because this soil developed in dry areas due to the high temperature and low rainfall, this soil having the low moisture. So fourth characteristics is having low moisture, either low water holding capacity. So the fifth important characteristics is the arid soil color varies from red to brown. Color varies from red to brown. And the lower horizon of the arid soil contain the conker. That means due to the increase of the depth of the soil, the calcium content is increased. Okay, that's why the lower horizon of the lower layer of arid soil contains conker. That means calcareous, the calcium is continuously increased due to the increase of the depth. And this soil is developed due to the faster evaporation. So that sandy is nature, low moisture holding capacity due to the high temperature. So this soil having the low humus content. So this soil is less fertile. That means you can say that the arid soil is not much suitable for the growing of crops. But after proper irrigation, either applying the proper techniques of cultivation, either method of cultivation, we can grow various type of crops. So in Rajasthan, you know, the Indira Gandhi Canal helps to growing the crops in dry areas of Rajasthan. So that's are the characteristics of the arid soil. Okay, that's it.